Welcome to Mary's Creative Decor. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is the projects that we'll be working on today. These 3 vases. Now these 2 I got from the Goodwill for about $5.99. Now one has this flower detail and the other one, the flower detail is missing, but we're gonna do something with that. And then I also have this glass vase that was given to me by a friend, but we're gonna freshen them up and make them beautiful. I'll be using my black flat 2X Rust-Oleum paint. I also have my cream color Rust-Oleum paint. I may or may not be using that on today. I have my gold foil lined tape. I also have it in the silver. And I have this bling wrap in gold. And we'll be using those on today. I have some tape, and I'll be using this to tape off my design on the flower. I have some rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to start by taking the alcohol, and I want to clean my vases. Now, of course, I've already used soap and water to wash them down. I just want to make sure I have no handprints, and by doing so, this will help my paint to adhere to my glass. Now that my vases are clean and free of any fingerprints, I'm going to tape off the clear vase. I want to tape it off in an angular shape, and this is just to give it a little bit more interest. So let's just tape off the vase. Now that I have my vase taped off, now you could tape yours off in another angle, but this is the angle that I'm using. I want to take them outside and I'm going to spray paint them with my black matte paint. And just like that, with a little camera magic, my 3 vases are complete. So the first thing I want to do is take these 2 and move them to the side. And then we'll peel the tape off this vase. So now we're looking at black and clear, and this is how it's looking. Actually, it's pretty like that, but you know me, we gotta embellish it a little bit. So what I want to do is take my silver tape and I want to go along the painted edge or the straight edge of the paint and the clear. So I do see where there is some black overspray. So I'm just going to take my alcohol and my paper towel, and I just want to get that paint off before it becomes a little harder to get off. And then I'll continue my taping. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now that I have both of my painted edges taped off, I want to go ahead and take my gold foil tape and I want to go about 1 inch over and add the gold tape. Now my vase is beautiful with the gold and the silver foil tape, but you know me, I had to take it a step further. I'm taking this beautiful gold bling wrap and I'm gonna go in between the silver foil and the gold foil. Moving on to the other 2 vases. Now I have some paper here and I want to tape off the vase. I want to spray paint the flower in gold. So I have this paper and I'm going to use my masking tape and I just want to tape off the vase. Now that was a little challenging because I didn't want to get tape on the vase to affect my paint, but that's done and I want to take my gold metallic paint and I want to spray paint the rose on the vase and I'll be back. Now for my last vase, I have this flower and I'm going to use this flower to replicate the other flower that's on the vase. I have my Mod Podge and I'm going to mix just a drop of water in it and I want to mix it and then I'm going to paint it onto this flower. Now I'm doing this to get the flower to be just a little stiffer. I'm going to get 2 coats of this Mod Podge onto my flower. I'm going to let it dry and then I'm going to pull out my gold metallic paint, spray paint it, and we'll come back. While my flower is drying, which is going to take quite a while, I decided to go ahead and dress up this vase. And I know you're probably saying, well, it's already beautiful, but we just gotta add a little bit of embellishments. We pulled out that gold foil line tape and let's see what we can do. Let's do that angle on that around the flower and see what we can come up with. while I have the tape out, I may as well go ahead and tape off the other one. I can add the flower when it's complete. I finished adding the gold foil tape to the vase. I am going to paint the flower and we'll come back for the reveal. I think my vases turned out absolutely beautiful. Let me know, what do you think? Has this video inspired you to try something old in your home to make it beautiful? Let me know, what do you think about doing? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. You can see I did add a rhinestone to the center of the floral. And here you can see I just added some spring florals to the vase. And here to the black and clear vase, I added some gold picks. I think this one is probably my favorite. I love the angle of the tape. Absolutely stunning. Again, this is probably the cheapest vase you can find, and look what you can do to it to make it beautiful without paying a whole lot of money. If you're watching and you're enjoying this video, now it's time to subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. And here on the tip of this flower, I broke it, but guess what? I used my E6000, repaired it, spray painted it. To all, let me say thank you all for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.